Introduction. Dogs are one of the most beloved pets in the world. They are loyal, friendly, and playful, and many people consider them to be members of their family. However, dogs also have a number of behaviors that can be confusing or frustrating to their owners. In this video, we will explore some of the most common dog behaviors and try to understand why dogs do these things. Why do dogs bark? Barking is one of the most common behaviors exhibited by dogs. Dogs bark for a variety of reasons, including to alert their owners to danger, to communicate with other dogs, and to express their emotions. Dogs may bark when they are excited, anxious, or bored. Some dogs also bark as a form of self-defense or to assert their dominance. It is important to remember that barking is a natural behavior for dogs, and it is not always a sign of bad behavior. However, excessive barking can be annoying to neighbors and may even lead to legal action in some cases. If your dog is barking excessively, it is important to identify the cause of the behavior and work on training your dog to control their barking. 1. Why do dogs chew on things? Chewing is another common behavior exhibited by dogs. Dogs may chew on things for a variety of reasons, including teething, boredom, anxiety, and curiosity. Chewing can also be a way for dogs to relieve stress and frustration. While chewing is a natural behavior for dogs, it can be destructive and costly if they chew on the wrong things. To prevent destructive chewing, it is important to provide your dog with plenty of chew toys and to train them to chew on appropriate items. You may also want to consider crate training your dog to prevent them from chewing on furniture or other items when you are not home. Why do dogs dig? Digging is another behavior that can be frustrating for dog owners. Dogs may dig for a variety of reasons, including to escape from a yard, to find a cool spot to lie down, or to bury objects. Some dogs also dig as a form of exercise or to relieve boredom. To prevent excessive digging, it is important to provide your dog with plenty of exercise and mental stimulation. You may also want to provide a designated digging area in your yard, where your dog can dig without causing damage to your yard or garden. Why do dogs lick people? Licking is a common behavior exhibited by dogs. Dogs may lick people for a variety of reasons, including to show affection, to communicate, or to groom. Some dogs also lick as a form of self-soothing or to relieve stress. While licking is a natural behavior for dogs, it can be unpleasant for some people, especially if the licking is excessive. To prevent excessive licking, it is important to train your dog to understand when it is appropriate to lick and when it is not. You may also want to provide your dog with alternative behaviors, such as playing with toys or going for a walk, to distract them from excessive licking. 1. Why do dogs jump on people? Jumping is another behavior that can be frustrating for dog owners. Dogs may jump on people for a variety of reasons, including to greet them, to seek attention, or to assert dominance. Some dogs also jump out of excitement or anxiety. To prevent jumping, it is important to train your dog to understand that jumping is not an appropriate behavior. You may want to provide your dog with alternative behaviors, such as sitting or lying down, to greet people. Consistent training and positive reinforcement can also help to eliminate jumping behavior. 1. Why do dogs chase their tails? Tail chasing is a behavior that can be amusing to watch, but it can also be a sign of boredom or anxiety. Dogs may chase their tails as a form of self-stimulation, or to seek attention from their owners. In some cases, tail chasing can also be a symptom of a medical condition, such as fleas or allergies. To prevent tail chasing, it is important to provide your dog with plenty of exercise and mental stimulation. You may also want to consult with your veterinarian to rule out any underlying medical conditions that may be contributing to the behavior. Why do dogs howl? Howling is a behavior that is often associated with wolves, but many domesticated dogs also exhibit this behavior. Dogs may howl to communicate with other dogs or to express their emotions, such as excitement or anxiety. Some dogs also howl as a form of attention-seeking or to express their territorial instincts. While howling is a natural behavior for dogs, it can be annoying to neighbors and may even lead to legal action in some cases. If your dog is howling excessively, it is important to identify the cause of the behavior and work on training your dog to control their howling. In conclusion, dogs exhibit a wide range of behaviors that can be confusing or frustrating to their owners. However, by understanding the reasons behind these behaviors, we can work to train our dogs and prevent unwanted behaviors. It is important to remember that dogs are animals with natural instincts and behaviors, and that they require adequate exercise, mental stimulation, and training to be well-behaved and happy members of our families. If you liked this video, please click the subscribe button below.